Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use Nano Banana in 2025 for architecture. Now, in my opinion, the best move to do this is going to be to start with a reference-free image plus a programmatic constraint, okay? For example, this could be my reference image, which is going to be like, the side where I want to basically build what I'm trying to build, or the space that I'm imagining where the building is going to be. And then what you have to do on your own, of course, is you have to draw some kind of programmatic or, site plan or kind of, some drawing that is going to contain your reference set where you have your rooms, the garden, things like that, okay? So this is something very, very important, guys. You need to get some kind of program that you're going to have to draw on your own with the basic layout of your building, as you can see in here. This is something that you're going to have to build on your own. What's cool about this is that you, for example, can get that image, you can download it, or you can create it on your own. That's what I recommend. And you can upload it to Gemini by clicking on Upload Files, okay? So make sure to do this to have actually the best result. So what are you going to do, guys? You have your own main reference site image. You have your floor plan image. And you also might have some additional details such as the texture that you want to build, the materials, things like that. Specific details that you want to include into your building to kind of guide or to help the AI to create the perfect thing for you. So what are we going to do? We're just going to come to Gemini and we're going to upload however many images we need, okay? As you can see, I only have one, which is this one here. But I recommend that you also upload this one specifically. Is going to be the most important, and this one for additional details. And now I'm going to show you this prompt that I actually made so you can see what the best option is. It says generate a photorealistic daytime exterior concept for a 3-story mixed-use building on this site. And I'm telling the AI what the image for this site is, which is this one here. Okay, it's actually JPG, so let me modify the extension in here. This one here, right? So I'm giving you the AI a certain guidance. Use a light gray precast concrete facade with vertical timber fence. So in this case, what I could do is I could say, use this image, for example, as a reference. I can download this image, I can upload it, and I can use it as a reference. In this case, I'm gonna forget about this, but yeah. Large street level glazing and a planted green roof. Camera street level, 28 millimeters, slight low angle, golden hour. This is gonna give the AI additional details. Show people casual office attire for scale, keeping their identities generic. Output for client presentation, the following. Okay, this one, the AI is not actually going to respect, so you can forget about adding this. But my purpose when adding this resolution, because in reality it's going to, respect this resolution here, or this aspect ratio, is to generate the perfect resolution or like the perfect quality. So it's not low quality. You can also have things like, avoid low quality output or Ultra HD or things like that. This is just to guarantee the best possible resolution and quality. I'm going to click on next now. Let's wait a few seconds. So, this gives you a lot of freedom as an architecture, professional to kind of create your dream scenarios in like a couple seconds pretty much. But what you have to do is you need to have your side floor needed. Okay, the space where you want to build it, and a specific, floor plan. Look, this is how it's gonna look. As you can see, well, it didn't actually respect so much the initial layout in here, but it created a beautiful, what we asked for basically, which is a 3 building render. Okay, and it looks amazing. It looks a little bit, not realistic, more like a render. So you can say, for example, photorealistic in here. Okay, now we can say, for example, add more grass. Okay, so we can make further edits on this design, and it's going to try to do that. Okay, and just add more grass in here. So let's see how it looks. The more details you give, the better, of course. Look, this is what it came up with. Okay, now it looks more similar to the first image, the reference image. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.